Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with John. Today we're making some California roll sushi bowls. Kompai! What we're using today is some rice wine vinegar, some sugar, salt, mayonnaise, soy sauce, 2 cups of rice, imitation crab, some what's this? Some seaweed and something flakes, I forget. Seaweed salad, avocado, carrots, cucumber. Gonna dice up our cucumber. Unwrap your imitation crab. Chop up your imitation crab. Take your crab, throw it in a bowl with your cucumbers. Cut your carrots into matchsticks. Like so. Alright, take your carrots, throw it in the bowl. Dice up your avocado, throw it in the bowl. There's a lot. Goodbye. 4 tablespoons of vinegar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Get this way more than half. Take your rice, throw it in a strainer, all of it. Run it under cold water for about 2 minutes until the water runs clear. It says do this for 2 minutes, but fuck that. That's a waste of water. Okay, we strain the rice in a pot. 2 1/4 cup of water. Yeah. And then we're gonna do something else. Set our shit on high, bring our rice to a boil. In the meantime, we're gonna take our vinegar, salt, and sugar mixture, and then fucking heat it up on medium. Whisk it with one of, no, not this, one of these. Whisk it until the sugar dissolves. Yep. Now that our vinegar mixture is hot, let's just set it over here to cool. Let that cool. This is still on its way to boiling, and in the meantime, come play. The rice is boiling, so we're just gonna bring that to a simmer. Put a lid on it. We wait 15 minutes. Timer 15 minute. Wait. There's still more to do. All right, let's take a quarter. Let's take a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Whatever. Fuck. Dropped it on the floor. Come the fuck. Let's just add about a little bit. That much? Watered down mayonnaise. Let's add the smallest dash of some buffalo sauce. It's supposed to be sriracha, because we don't have any. But yeah, just a little bit. Mix it up. Might as well, you know? Why not? Can't be too bad. Small bowl. Take our last teaspoon rice wine vinegar and a 1/4 cup of soy. And mix it up. You can be drunk as fuck and drink in public in Japan, but you can't smoke and walk at the same time. Crazy. The rice is done. The vinegar, throw it in there. We're gonna toss it around. So I got my rice, got my shit, got some seaweed salad, got some soy and vinegar, I got the seaweed, I got my sauce. In that order. Rice, crab and stuff, seaweed salad, soy and vinegar, flakes, mayo. I think it looks good. Let's give it a taste. Alright, let's give it a taste. Whole shebang, 1 bite. Here we go. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, that's delicious. I did a good job. Bobo. Arigato, everybody. See you later. Bye. Woo! Next week, Thursdays.